Hello kids, are you ready to learn about something super cool and absolutely amazing? Today we're going to talk about how plants make their own food. Yes, you heard it right. Plants are like little chefs, cooking up their meals right in their leaves. In this video, get ready to learn all about photosynthesis. Let's jump right into the details of photosynthesis and see how it all happens. First, what exactly is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a special process that plants use to make their own food. Using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, plants create a simple sugar called glucose, which they store in their leaves. And here's something awesome. When plants make this food, they also release oxygen, the gas we breathe. This makes plants not only great at feeding themselves, but also super helpful to us. But where does photosynthesis happen? Photosynthesis takes place in the green leaves of a plant. Leaves contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which acts like a sunlight catcher, allowing the plant to absorb sunlight. This captured sunlight provides the energy needed to turn water and carbon dioxide into food. All this magic happens inside special parts of plant cells called chloroplasts. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, which helps plants capture sunlight and turn it into chemical energy stored in glucose. Now let's talk about the three main steps of photosynthesis. Step 1. Absorbing sunlight. In the first step, chlorophyll in the leaves absorbs sunlight, giving plants the energy they need to start making food. Step 2. Splitting water molecules. Next, the sunlight energy splits water molecules into two parts, hydrogen and oxygen. This is the step where oxygen is released into the air. Thank you, plants. Step 3. Making food from carbon dioxide. Finally, the plant combines hydrogen with carbon dioxide to create glucose, the food that fuels their growth. Just like that, the plant has made its own food and stored energy from the sun. During photosynthesis, plants turn sunlight into chemical energy stored in glucose, and this energy eventually makes its way to all living things. Let's go over the ingredients that make photosynthesis possible. Sunlight. Sunlight is essential as it powers the entire process. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll in the leaves captures sunlight. Carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny openings called stomata on their leaves. Water. Plants absorb water from the soil through their roots. This water travels up through tubes called xylem vessels, all the way to the leaves. Aside from sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, plants also need nutrients from the soil like nitrogen, phosphorus, and magnesium. Nitrogen, for example, is important for making proteins that help plants grow strong and healthy. And here's a cool fact. Photosynthesis isn't just important for plants, it's essential for life on Earth. It gives us the oxygen we breathe and provides food for animals and humans, making photosynthesis the foundation of all ecosystems. The energy stored in plants as glucose ultimately comes from the sun, making it the ultimate energy source for all living things. And that's the magic of photosynthesis. Now you know how plants make their own food, why they're so important to us, and why we should appreciate them.